If you would like to add a SAML 2.0 service provider connection, please navigate to the EID overview, located under the Products section in the sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you will find a variety of options to choose from. For the purpose of this video, we will focus on the process of adding a SAML 2.0 connection. In the management overview, you can see that 2 SAML connections have already been prepared. The table displays from left to right the connection name, the type of connection, identified by a SAML icon, the entity ID, the status of the connection, indicating whether it is currently active or not, and an icon showing the status of the certificate in the metadata. Our first connection has an active and valid certificate, represented by a green check mark, whereas the second connection has an expired certificate, shown by a red exclamation mark. These visual indicators are helpful for quickly identifying any expired certificates in your SAML connections. Lastly, there are 3 dots next to each connection, allowing you to edit, delete, or disable it. To add a new SAML connection, simply click the purple Add New button at the top right corner of the page and select a method for adding your metadata. You can choose to add SAML metadata by URL, or you can create or upload it using the form option. Let's first explore the URL option. At the top of the page, you will find a button that allows you to download the Signicat metadata for this environment. This is helpful for saving or linking to your application in order to set up a proper connection between your application and Signicat. The name field is required and can be anything of your choosing. The application URL is optional and serves no technical purpose, but acts as a bookmark for your application in the Signicat dashboard. As for the metadata URL, this should link directly to your application's metadata. Please note that to add a metadata URL, you must contact our support department at support@signicat.com to have your domain trusted by the Signicat services. Lastly, select a level of assurance contract. The default contract should suffice for most cases. Additional options are available under the Advanced tab, which can be adjusted if necessary. To set up a connection by uploading metadata, navigate back to the previous page and select the Form option. Once again, you will find a link to the Signicat metadata at the top of the page. Immediately below that, you can drag and drop your XML metadata file or browse your files to upload it. The remaining fields will automatically populate based on the metadata you upload. You will also find more options under the Advanced tab, or you may manually fill in all the data without uploading metadata. This manual process should only be attempted by experienced users. Once your metadata has been uploaded, the new connection should appear in the management overview. If you have any questions, please contact our support department at support@signicat.com or use the Contact Us link in the sidebar of the main dashboard.